Ever wonder why losing fat feels like an uphill battle? Well, many of us have, and it's often due to the misconceptions around fat loss. Many people believe that excessive dieting is the golden ticket to shedding off those extra pounds. But let me tell you, this couldn't be further from the truth. Not only does starving yourself deprive your body of essential nutrients, it also lowers your metabolism, making fat loss even harder. Furthermore, this type of extreme dieting is not sustainable, and long-term is going to cause severe harm to your body. Instead, the secret to achieving and maintaining fat loss is eating a balanced, healthy diet that allows you to maintain a healthy calorie deficit while still providing essential nutrients to your body. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the best diet plans for fat loss. Nutrition science breaks down the fuel for our body into two main categories: micronutrients and macronutrients. Macronutrients are actually broken up into three categories. Those are going to be your proteins, your carbohydrates, and your fats. Each one of these perform a key role in keeping you healthy and performing optimally. Protein is the building blocks of life, literally. Protein plays a key role in repairing and creating muscle tissue. Think of protein as the bricks that make up the wall of the mighty fortress that is your body. Next, we have carbohydrates. These are the body's preferred source of energy. Think of carbohydrates as the bundles of wood ready to keep the fire burning. And finally, we have fats. Now, despite some bad press, fats are vital for your body. Consuming enough healthy fats is vital for healthy brain function and keeping healthy hormone levels. Think of healthy fats as the insulation within the walls of your fortress, maintaining the warmth in and keeping the cold out. Now, let's not forget about those micronutrients. Even though we need these in a smaller amount, nonetheless, they are vital for a healthy lifestyle. They're like the guards inside of your fortress's walls, maintaining vigilance and making sure that everything is working properly. But here's the thing, just like your fortress needs the perfect balance of bricks, insulation, and guards, your body needs the perfect balance of macronutrients and micronutrients. This is why having a balanced diet is so important. It's not about completely eliminating carbs or fats or overdosing on proteins. It's also not about jumping onto the next trending diet. It's about maintaining a proper balance of micro and macronutrients while maintaining a healthy calorie deficit. Remember, it's not all about fat loss. It's also about promoting and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. No single food group should be neglected. It's all about balance. With that said, let's dive into the diet plan that's going to lead you into a successful fat loss plan. So the cornerstone of any successful fat loss plan is maintaining a balanced nutrient intake, and we're about to see what exactly that means. So imagine a plate in front of you divided up into three sections. Each one of these sections represents a vital component in your fat loss plan. Lean proteins, slow digesting carbohydrates, and healthy fats. So lean proteins are the building blocks of our bodies. They help create and repair muscle mass. Good sources of lean protein can be turkey, chicken, fish, among other sources. Next up are slow digesting carbohydrates. These are not your enemies. Quite the contrary. Slow digesting carbohydrates keep you full longer and provide consistent energy throughout the day. Good sources of slow digesting carbohydrates come from whole grains, whole wheat, veggies, and among other sources. And finally, we have healthy fats. Now, contrary to popular belief, healthy fats are vital for maintaining a healthy diet and for any successful fat loss plan. Not only are healthy fats an excellent source of fuel for your body, they help maintain healthy hormone levels. Good sources of fats can be considered from avocados, good sources of oils, and among other sources. The key here is maintaining a balance and consistency, making sure that you're hitting your macro goals every single day, eating enough protein, slow digesting carbohydrates, and healthy fats throughout the day. Also, don't forget to give yourself the occasional small treat, a small piece of chocolate, a small indulgence. every now and then will help you keep you focused on your goal and won't really mess up your calorie deficit that much. It's not about restriction and eliminating all food sources. It's about making smarter choices with those food sources. Next, let's talk about another vital element, and that's going to be proper hydration. Not only is drinking enough water throughout the day vital for maintaining overall health, it is vital for ensuring that you have enough energy to perform the tasks that you're about to do throughout the day. Another key benefit of drinking enough water is that it aids in digestion. Drinking enough water ensures a healthy digestive system, contributing to your overall fat loss goal. And let's not forget that our bodies are 2/3 water, so drinking enough water is vital for maintaining healthy organs from our brain to our heart and yes, even our muscles. While maintaining a balanced diet and drinking enough water are vital, that alone is not enough. Physical activity not only plays a pivotal role in burning those extra calories, but it promotes more health and overall well-being. Now let's break it down. When we're talking about physical activity, we're not just talking about intense gym training. It encompasses a wide range of movements from walking to dancing to swimming to weightlifting. Each one of these exercises provides key benefits, and it's up to you and your overall goals to choose which one is best for you. For example, walking is an excellent form of exercise that could be incorporated into your daily routine. It not only helps burn extra calories, it is extremely low impact and promotes overall health. Then there's resistance training, which is a real game changer because not only does it help you burn more calories, but it helps you increase your overall muscle mass. And guess what, you guys? The more muscle mass you have, the more calories you have, because having more muscle mass increases your metabolic rate. Swimming is another excellent source of exercise, which is really low impact on your body and can help you burn a lot of calories. But remember, ultimately, being consistent is key. It's not about what type of exercise you do, it's about doing it consistently every single day. It's not about working out for 7 hours one day and not doing anything for the rest of the week. It's working out in divided increments that your body can recover from in a consistent manner. When it comes to this, start slow and gradually increase the amount of difficulties in your exercises. And always make sure that you take time to recover. Remember, exercise should be something that you enjoy, not punishment. So let's get moving, because the path to health and happiness is paved through with active steps. And remember, every small achievement that you make throughout the way is a victory. So here's to your health and your successful fat loss plan. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, you should watch this video next.